Yo, what's up? So damn, I'm on my way to the Ambitious Whips meet. I'm on a troll. What the fuck is that? Not much people here, but I'm about to vlog really quick. But it's people are still coming, but I'm not sure when, cause it's like another meet.
How the fuck you come out 10 pounds looking like that, and I came out 9 pounds looking like that?
Because genetics don't catch up to you. Why is an M below the V? He said most of the ricers keep coming up on him. I'm like, I don't know why they fucking with you. You gotta be careful. Don't mess around with that.
Don't fuck around with the wrong one, and that boy will spank that ass.
Look, cause I was like, look, I see some Hondas out here with
But
these
no,
big...
no.
This is what I'm dealing with. Come out, man.
Damn, Aiden, you a killer. Damn, Aiden, you a killer.
Dude. Huh? For real? What's yours? What's yours? Oh no, it's not my Jeep. Oh yeah, I heard that. Like what the hell? Shit loud as hell. Started to bring my
Cowboys still. Cowboys still. Don't worry about that. Already suspended.
Oh, he closed the pipes.
He had a great offense. Right on the curve. He got a great offense.
Oh, he did got the sides and he got the back as well too.
You didn't know that.
Oh, I saw it. I was at.
You gonna go home? He said he's going home.
Yeah, he is. Oh, he's got a bunch of them. Yeah, but none of them for sale. Because all the.
Yeah, so we still out here. It's like 12:15 in the morning. I mean, damn, 11. I don't know. Can you see that? What the fuck? There's no focus. I didn't learn these damn cameras. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. What the hell? It closed, motherfucker. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck off. How you? What the fuck? Can you see that? This camera sucks.
I can see it.
Yeah. Back here. He see it? No. Did he see Bull? Can you see him? That's I want some. That's why I want the screen where it's like you can see stuff.
Yeah.
Like the guy, I forgot to tell him that's what I wanted. Gang.
Yeah.
But yeah. Some of the stuff you see, I didn't do it. It's not. I didn't record it like that. It was Snapchat. Snapstagram, what I call it. Okay, I'm done. Look at what? There's Bay.
It's
right there.
definitely a fight. But you could look at Gabriel.
So sorry. No.
He's a builder.
But look. What? Oh, they making their own car meet.
He might be bigger than you. Heavy said he ain't taller than that. Nah, that's what I'm talking about.
Just got in the house. It's like 1:01 in the morning. Yeah, I'm about to end it. Some of the footage is on the camera and some of it's not. So when you hear that weird noise, that's what it's like on the camera. But yeah, man.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.